First, we'll start by wedging the clay 10 to 15 times. Grab a piece of clay, roll it into a ball, then roll the ball out into a long coil. Repeat this process until you have lots of coils all around the same thickness. Remember to spray and cover the coils that are done with plastic to keep them moist. With a 3-inch base circle, you can start layering the clay rolls, forming a tree shape. They also have foam tree molds at Dollar Store if this is easier for you. When you have to join two ends together, remember to scratch them and apply slip so it holds better. When you get near the top, the last coil will be tapered smaller at one end to make the narrow top of the tree. Press the coils to the tree lightly to set them. Carefully pick up and smooth out the inside of the tree. This will also help to attach the coils to one another. Set the tree aside. Roll out a piece of clay to make the star. Use a cookie cutter or hand draw a star and cut it out. Smooth the edges and attach to the tree using slip. Make any kind of decoration you would like for your tree. Remember to scratch the surface and use slip to attach. If you have extra clay, you can make some presents or a tree skirt. Finally, put it aside to dry and bring to the art gallery to be fired.